Today we're going to show you how you do vulnerability scans from both the Cloud Dash and from the local tenant. So we start in the cloud and you go to My Security, you go to Vulnerabilities, and here you go into the immediate scanner component. Here you put in a single IP address, like for example one of these. And you can also use networks, so you can format them like this. You cannot use both, so I'm gonna remove that and I'm gonna say test scan of gateway, discover and scan. And that's really how simple that is when you start it from the cloud. Now what we're gonna do is show you how you do it from your local client stack. So we'll go to the OpenMath scanner. So from your local stack, it works the same way. You can use a single IP address like this, and my format here. You can also use them with commas in between, so you can do etc. So yeah, and then you can also enter networks here like this. I showed you that before. So the same way here, except for here you'll actually have a little bit more choices when you hit before you start scanning. So let's just take a device here. This is my switch, and then switch test, create a target. And then after you create the target, you have to click a new scan. So you click a new scan, and then next thing you do, this will bring it to the next page, create scan page. You can leave the default name here, you can change that value to whatever you want, and then you will choose one of these scan types. If you are just starting out, you want to do a discovery scan, but right now we are doing vulnerability scans, so I want to do a full and very deep. These are kind of interestingly named, and then so we just create the scan, and then the scan task is created under switch test scan here. And then the next thing, you will have to remember to click the start button. From the cloud it starts automatically, but from here you actually have to go in and click start. And then once a scan is complete, you will then have the option to download the report. So I can just take a test here. So you can then download into HTML format. What I do here is actually I go open link in new window, because then I see my vulnerability scan report right away. So that's pretty much it. Quick and fast and easy. That's the idea here. So thank you very much, and happy scanning.